Today I'm going to teach you how to create a chess game in Scratch. So first in Google you need to search up Scratch. Scratch Imagine Program Share. And then over here, instead of this, you will get join Scratch or sign in. So you need to click join Scratch and then create an account and then click create. And then you need to name your project. I'm going to name it chess. So like this, you can have this or delete this if you want to chase with this. I want to chase with this, and what I want to chase is a ball. So in the ball sprite, I will go to events. When green flag clicked, motion, go to random position. And then control forever. Wait 1 second and then go to random position. So when I do this, it will start there, move. But the cat won't follow me and go. So I need to go to the cat sprite and then events. When green flag click, control forever, go to mouse pointer. So whenever I do this, I won't get points. I'm not getting points, right? So I need to stop, and then in this control if then sensing touching ball, then I need to add a variable called score. Make sure it's for all sprites. So after that, when green flag clicked, you also need to set score to 0, and then if touching ball, then change score by 1. So test this. It's changing too fast, right? So what we need to do is control, wait 1 second, but not in front. If we do it in front, then it will not change the score. Like this, it's working good. But do you know what you need? You need to make sure that when, if then something is greater than, I'll do 100, then I'll do if then score is greater than 100, then I'll also pick a backdrop. I think I'll do indoors in room 2. You can pick whatever sprites you want and whatever backdrop. And then in this, you go to backdrops, pick the empty one, and then zoom out. Pick the text bar and then write you win. And then I would want to stretch it, but it's your choice. And I want to snap it and then make sure that it's next to this. I think mine is good like this. And then in these I need to go to code, events, broadcast message 1, and then you need to hide it. Then over here, events, when I receive message 1, looks, you need to hide, and you also need to broadcast 1. Okay, and then in stage, events, when I receive 1, looks, switch backdrop to backdrop 1, and then in backdrops I need 2 events, when green flag clicked, switch backdrop to room 2. So when I start, if I get up to 100 points, then I can get to the win. Remember, you don't have to do 100 points. You can do 50, 20, like that. But I chose to do 100. So now your Scratch game is good, and if you want to share this project, you can click share up here. See this share button? You can click it, and then now this is how. And then write your instructions. Okay, now if you want to do a thumbnail, you need to go to choose a sprite and then paint, and then you can create a thumbnail. I am going to create my thumbnail with this white. So now, since I have created, I'm working on a thumbnail. And now I'm going to draw. Actually, I don't think I need a thumbnail. So I'll just save this, and then if you go to new tab and delete that, search up Scratch again, and then search your username, then you'll find that project that you created. So I created these 3 projects so far. This is my other chase one, where like I created one where it only goes sideways. So yeah, I don't have studios. I'm just doing some Scratch projects. So yeah, see you later.